have in the rare colored diamond market, because colored diamonds have never ever fallen in price. There's many different colors of diamonds. Reds are the rarest and the most expensive. They're about $2.5 million a carat. Subsequently, look at a 1 carat white diamond for about $2,500. So you've got the same size diamond, but the difference between a white diamond and a red diamond is $2,500 approximately for a white diamond and $2.5 million for a red diamond. Make that a blue diamond. That blue diamond could be worth about $1.5 million to $2 million a carat. Pink diamonds are also the diamonds that you want to buy. Pink diamonds are skyrocketing in price, and that's primarily because of a shortage of them, because the mine that produces them, the Argyle mine in Australia, is going to close very soon. And that will make the price of pink diamonds go up 8 to 10 times what today's prices are. So while the summer is here, we are going to see a major price increase in diamonds going into the fall. If you are going to invest in these amazing assets, and I very, very highly recommend that you do, you're best off to start to do it at this point while you can still buy these diamonds at reasonable prices. These diamonds are going to continue to skyrocket in price, especially as inflation starts to come into the market. There's a question and answer scenario in the newsletter this week, and they're talking about the diamond market again. And again, you got to read this because, again, it sums up everything that we've been saying to you. And again, it's extremely important that if you are going to invest in diamonds, you've got to invest in the right diamonds. And we're recommending the yellow flawless because they double in price every 4 years or less. They're going to go up by 35% this year, and those are the diamonds that went up 500% in 1979 and 80 when we had double-digit inflation. The pink diamonds are a phenomenon. The pink diamonds, again, come from only one mine. They are going to close before 2018, probably by 2016, and these amazing pink diamonds can go up 10 times what they are today. That means a diamond you can buy for $30,000 can be a $300,000 diamond. And there's very few investments today that can give you those type of returns with the safety of the rare diamond market, because rare colored diamonds have never, ever dropped in price, ever. It takes 50,000 carats of white diamonds to find one colored diamond. It takes 1 million carats of white diamonds to find one pink diamond. So the fact is that while we're going to go through this extremely difficult financial period for the next 5 to 10 years, the experts are saying that colored diamonds will take off and basically outdo any other investment with complete safety. So what you want to do is you want to go to our website, first of all, rarecoloreddiamonds.com, spelled both Canadian and American. rarecoloreddiamonds.com. Go to the loose diamond section, and first of all, look at the fancy yellow, fancy intense yellow, and fancy vivid yellow flawless diamonds. All of our diamonds are flawless. Those are the diamonds that you want to own. Those are the diamonds that are going to go up 35% in the fall, and again, can go up 500% in the next few years just based on inflation. If you've got money sitting in the stock market and it's not performing for you, and you're as concerned about stocks as we are, take some of that money and do yourself a very strong favor and put a diamond away for your future. It will do a tremendous job for you. Number one, not only will it appreciate more than almost any other investment that you have with complete safety, but on top of that, it's portable and private wealth. You can cross a border with it. You can hide it. Nobody knows that you own it, and it could be sold in another currency. And that, to me, is one of the most important things because it gives us options. And in this type of economy, we need options. We can't be defined to one thing. We need to know that if this scenario happens, we have an asset that we can start all over again with. We have an asset called a diamond that we could sell in Japanese yens or British pounds or whatever is the strongest currency. You know, Randy brought up what's happening in China and India. It's a phenomenon. They're buying these diamonds like it's going out of style, but again, they did the same thing with gold because they understand the economics of the world markets, and they understand what happens when inflation hits and values of currencies drop. And that's why in China they're buying diamonds like they've never seen these things before, and they're paying fortunes for them, and in fact they only buy the highest quality. That's where one area that we will sell our yellow flawless diamonds down the road. And by the way, we are the only company in existence that has an auction website for our clients' diamonds. We've been building this for the last year and a half. It's pretty well ready. It's just going through the legal stages, and wait till you see what we're going to bring to our clients and to the diamond market, something that has never, ever been done or seen before, a live auction for diamonds. And it's not only diamonds. It's going to be called 8 Seagull Fine Auctions, and we have some things in store for our clients and listeners that is so exciting that you've never seen anything like this before. Not only will we be selling some of our clients' diamonds, but at this point, very few people are selling diamonds. In fact, nobody I know is selling their inventory of diamonds. They're collecting at this point and holding, not selling. We have diamonds put away from 10 years ago, Argyle pinks, before they were even laser inscribed, that we're going to bring to our auction site. We have got, and listen to this, rough colored diamonds that we're going to auction off on our website. We have got, and I've got 3 duffel bags, about 60 pounds, and listen to this, of extremely rare but uncut emeralds, sapphires, and rubies. We have coins dating back to before Christ. We have got the Vatican coin sets that the Pope was buried with. We have got some of the most amazing gold and silver collectible coin sets that you could ever possibly imagine, and this is all coming out in October with the grand opening of our only online live auction site. And basically, it's going to be myself, Harold Siegel, selling over the internet on the most amazing auction site you've ever seen. It's beautiful, it's sophisticated, and nothing like this has ever been built before, and I built this for my clients. However, it's going to be a phenomenal business, and at the beginning, there's just going to be amazing opportunities for our Canadian clients and listeners. So, as you can tell, I'm extremely excited about this. No other company in the world has what we have, and basically, what my goal is to basically corner the market in yellow flawless and Argyle pink diamonds, and be able to offer those diamonds worldwide and be able to sell them on our auction website for our clients. So again, I'm extremely excited about what's happening in the rare colored diamond market. And the confirmation to me that we're going in the right direction is the fact that even white diamonds are moving up in price at this point. And again, the only other time that they did that was back in 1979 and 80 when all diamonds went up 500% in 2 years. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready for some of the most exciting times that we've ever seen. And if you're not in the diamond market at this point, I very, very highly recommend that you get in before the fall, because these prices will be going up substantially. And then we're going to see these diamonds take off and run, and I want to make certain that our Canadian clients and listeners are in the right markets at the right time. If you one day want to be able to retire, I would very strongly recommend that you put some money into the rare colored diamond market. We deliver these diamonds directly to you. You own them outright, and you either put them in your safety deposit box or you put them into a magnificent piece of jewelry. And by the way, if you ever look at our Argyle Dream collection of jewelry, it's like nothing you have ever seen before. It is so magnificent. These are masterpieces. These are all handmade masterpieces, and again, when you see them, our clients have received them, have absolutely flipped over them, because not only are they magnificent diamonds, but they're all made from platinum, and we put a little red diamond inside the band of every one of our Dream Collection diamond rings. So again, if you're sitting in paper assets like stocks or bonds or those type of things, you may be very smart to take some money out of those areas, especially areas that you're concerned about, and buy yourself a rare colored diamond. It will do better than almost any investment, and a combination of gold, silver, and diamonds will not only get you through these extremely difficult times, but make you a tremendous amount of money. And then we anticipate being able to lock in 20% interest rates and be able to just sit back and comfortably make money in the interest rate market.
Connect with Harold at rarecoloreddiamonds.com. Harold can send you the newsletter. You can speak with him as well at 1-800-432-1022. He can get the newsletter to you so you can read the diamond section. You can connect with him at rarecoloreddiamonds.com, 1-800-432-1022. And take a look at, and this is fantastic, the featured diamond of the week, just a stunning, stunning yellow diamond. And one thing I wanted to mention, and this is a quote we have in the newsletter, in China, think about this, over 11 million couples get married every year, and another 10 million tie the knot in India. If one gets basically those couples to start using diamond engagement rings, the numbers and the developments are simply mind-boggling. Diamonds are going to become increasingly rare as China and India continue their appetite for diamonds. That, according to Glenn Turner, the commercial director of Gem Diamonds. And Harold touched on it. You can read this in the newsletter. They interviewed Brian Mennel, who's the chairman of the Special Situations Diamonds in London. And he actually says that 50% of the major purchases of diamonds in the last 2 to 4 years have come out of China and Southeast Asia. So this is an area where there's huge demand. And he talks about price appreciation for diamonds. And he actually mentions he mentions pink diamonds and blue diamonds. The price of vivid blue diamonds has probably doubled in the last 3 years. That is indicative more of the market becoming stronger and stronger, and it's also indicative of the stones that happen to come out to the market over the past 3 years, how rare they are and how rare they will continue to be. And he says that at the top end, prices have close to doubled in the last 3 years. And he is actually very, very bullish on fancy pink and fancy blue diamonds. Harold, we're starting to see it, and they mention in one of these articles that it's about quality. When you make an investment in a diamond, you want a flawless diamond, and you want vivid, and you want the highest quality. And that's something that you pinpointed many years ago, and that's what you've done for the clients that have invested in diamonds. They've got top quality, and that's good to know because that's what people over in Asia and around the world are looking for.
You bet, and that's where I invested all of my money, Randy. And again, I've never been more excited because, again, when you're a front runner, especially in the diamond market like we've been for many, many years now, but again, nobody really acknowledges it because very few articles have ever been written about it. But now that people are starting to see what's happening and the countries are going under and currencies are changing, and they start to realize the value of these assets and how much they have gone up, now we're getting into a massive bull market. Well, the beautiful thing is we've been in this for a long, long time. So, again, it's not something that we have to, catch up with other companies. We're the leaders in this. Nobody has the diamonds that we have. In fact, within the next few months, I will have more Argyle pink diamonds than anybody in the world has, and that's primarily because that's where I'm putting my money. So the fact is that try to get a yellow flawless diamond or an Argyle pink down the road from anybody else but myself. And again, the only reason that I'm putting up, multi-millions of dollars is because I believe in this so much. And now we're starting to see the results of it. Back in 1980, you could have bought a yellow flawless diamond for $500. Now they're $20,000, and there's a massive shortage of it. And soon those diamonds will be at $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000. So again, we've seen it in the past. We're going to see it again, and it's starting to happen right in front of our eyes. You still have time to get in, especially during the summer. Again, these are not for everybody. They're a longer-term hold. You don't want to buy a diamond today and sell it a year from now. You're not going to make that much money. But the fact is, if you put it away for 10 years, a diamond you could buy for 20 will be a $100,000 diamond. And again, if you want to retire comfortably one day, I very strongly recommend you go that route.
Get the newsletter from Harold. It's a must-read. All the stories that we have this week about diamonds and the influence of China and India on this diamond market is simply astounding. You can connect with him at rarecoloreddiamonds.com. You can also call him at 1-800-432-1022, 1-800-432-1022. The website is rarecoloreddiamonds.com, and ask him about the featured diamond as well. To invest in precious metals, there's only one company that Harold recommends, a Canadian company, been in business for over 10 years. They specialize in precious metals. That's all they do. The telephone number is 1-866-623-2002 to learn more about investing in precious metals. Their website, www.pmc.com, www.pmc.com. One thing we talked about a couple of weeks ago, there was a couple who were living in Florida who had not paid their mortgage in 5 years, and they were not being foreclosed on. Well, it even gets better. This week, a story coming out. You can read it in our real estate section of our newsletter. And how does this factor into gold and silver? Well, you take a look at the sovereign debt crisis, serious problems around the world with countries going bankrupt, the U.S. debt and deficit, the entitlement problems they have, also states and cities in serious trouble. The job market is absolutely horrible. Housing's in chaos.